All right, gents, time to start shaving. Run your razor under hot water. Only shave in the direction that your hair grows for this first pass. Now, everyone's hair grows differently, as you can see by this shaving map here. So make sure to pay attention to the grain, to the direction that your hair grows on your face as you're cutting. Now, as you're shaving, shave with short strokes and light pressure. Seriously, most men make the mistake of shaving with too long of strokes. This can clog up your razor and you can cut yourself. Don't press too hard. This leads to nicks and razor burn. After every few strokes, make sure to rinse your razor with hot water. Your razor is a lot more effective when it's not filled with hair and shaving cream. Once you're done, wipe away any remaining lather and check for spots missed. Okay, so you found a few rough spots? So what you want to do here is reapply the shaving cream on those areas and go ahead and shave again. After you're done, go ahead and rinse your face to remove any remaining cream or shave oil and use cool water to close up the pores. Now today's video, gents, is sponsored by Vitamin. I'm one of the owners of the company, so I make sure you guys get the best deal. Seriously, you want to save over 50% on your first essential skincare kit, which comes with everything you need to start your morning and evening routine. 100% natural and organic. Guys, down in the description of today's video, I've got the best deal on the planet. So what video to watch next? How about how to stop shaving your face wrong? Well, that was the title of the video. Now, not proper English, but in this video right here, I talk about 10 mistakes guys make again and again when it comes to shaving and they need to stop doing. It's a good video. Go check it out if you want to learn how to get the perfect shave.